It would be really nice if you would like and subscribe to the channel.
This is just going to be a look at. I just got these from Amazon, and again, just a look at, and try them out on specific tips. I hope they fit, and you can see the different colors. Ooh, there's a lot of them. I think there's, what do you say, 100? 54, sorry. 54 pieces. They all look about the same size. So, don't know anything about I'm going to give him these and see how they fit. Hopefully they fit. These two here. Let me give you another look at of another color. Let me get a clear one. I don't think they're different sizes. I think they're all the same size. They'll all look about the same size. All right, let me try it out. I'll let you know how he likes them or doesn't like them. So my son chose these, and you said that they're different sizes. So the ones I picked out, they were different sizes, both of them?
Yeah.
One smaller and bigger. Okay, so pay attention, look at them closely.
Make sure you pick out a matching pair.
Yeah, because he's saying that they're different sizes. So some are smaller and bigger than the other ones. So read the information on the website, and it'll give you more details on what on sizes. I just put one in, so this one should not be that hard. Okay. Kind of have to work at it to put it in. Okay, there it goes. All right, he's gonna try them on really quickly and let us know how much he loves them. These are his DeWalt headphones. He uses for work, and they get a good workout. Okay, put them on real quick. Go ahead, put them on real quick and put them in your ear, and you tell me what you think. What happened?
Nothing. Oh, they fit perfectly.
Perfectly?
I like them.
Okay. Oh, I didn't know that was for your ears. I thought that wrapped. Okay. So they fit. They're good. You like them a lot?
I like them a lot.
Okay, thumbs up. So I think it was a great buy. So when you need an extra pair, let me know. I have several to choose from, okay? In different colors.
Thank you.
All right, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching again. We were using it on his DeWalt headphones. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye now.
Bye.
Please like and subscribe.